This right here is a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country, powered by the 3.8 liter V6. It's got brand new tires all the way around. It's got the stow and go seating. It's got 120,000 miles on it. It's got the power doors, as you can see. It's got the second row captain's chairs. Stow and go is nice for storing luggage and stuff. Luggage, blankets, groceries. Just frees up space for when you go on vacation. You know, you don't have to have all your luggage and stuff in the back of the van. These vans are super nice for families with kids. Packed a whole army inside this thing. It's got the power lift gate as well. You just hit the button and she opens. Kind of dips down in here for storing groceries and luggage. Super nice. You can flip the seats right down into these holes too, so if you want to take this thing to Menards or Lowe's and, you know, get stuff for you know, doing a little home project, you can fit a lot of stuff in these things. Super clean. As usual, no rust. No rust. We don't like rust. We don't like buying junk, so we try to stay away from that. Can't believe it's snowing out here. This is ridiculous. It's April 4th. It's supposed to be, you know, April showers bring May flowers. It's like April snowstorm. That's a bunch of garbage, you know. Yeah, super nice van, 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. It's got 120K on it, new tires, stow and go seating, second row captain's chairs. Very, very nice. A lot of people love these vans because they got so much space in them. And that stow and go seating is just awesome for, you know, going on vacation and long trips and stuff like that. And the seats fold right down into the floor, so you ain't gotta lug the seat out if you want the extra, you know, space in the back. So, very nice. Check us out. The Car Store, www.thecarstoremi.com.